with the love we'd share. It's being without you I cannot bear. Life's ups and downs make the days long, wondering when our love will be strong. I want to be alone if I can't be with you. It's a feeling I have that makes my love true. My love is so strong, I have so much to give. It's waiting for you, how I continue to live. The thoughts of you and feelings inside, being without you is a pain I must hide. I dread every night of being at home, wondering who you are and if you're alone. I say I love you 10 times a day, though you can't hear, God knows that I pray. I don't know who or when our love will see. Time is running out, God send her to me.